Organizing your gardening supplies and extra storage has never been this easy. The 8 by 10 foot storage shed from Lifetime Products gives you the space necessary to keep your backyard and garage looking great. The spacious 71 square foot interior and heavy-duty construction makes it perfect for your storage needs. The shed features vertical siding, one shatter-resistant window with decorative trim, one full-length ridge skylight, and 2 screened vents. And to help organize the interior, it also comes with one 90 by 9 inch shelf and 6 wall hooks. The steel reinforced 8-pane doors create a 4.5 by 6 foot high opening. It is specifically designed to have more headroom through the entrance. And with our sliding lock doors and internal latching mechanism, your items will be safe and secure. The interior has a 6 foot 8 inch interior height from floor to roof truss, making it easy to walk around, stack boxes, and store pretty much anything. The convenient centralized location of the doors on the garden shed allow for easy access to your storage without the need to climb over things to reach the back. Lifetime also offers additional shelves and extension kits, allowing you to get creative with your shed and customize it to fit your needs. Make sure to select a location for your shed that is large enough to accommodate the size. For best performance, we recommend using a level cement, wood, asphalt, gravel, or patio surface. The Lifetime 8 by 10 garden shed is constructed of UV-resistant, high-density polyethylene. The UV protection makes our buildings resistant to heat and extended exposure to the elements, including fading, warping, chipping, or peeling. With no need to paint or stain, our garden buildings are low maintenance, stain resistant, and keep their design and good looks for years to come. Lifetime uses blow molding technology for the walls, roof, and floor panels, double walled for extra strength. Our double wall buildings also have heavy-duty steel reinforcements to ensure superior durability. The steel provides extra strength to eliminate warping or bending in the wall and roof panels. Our garden sheds have heavy-duty steel reinforced roof, and the high-pitched design allows for quick drainage of rain and snow. Lifetime storage sheds are not only built for strength and durability, they also have an attractive appearance and design complementary to the beauty of your backyard. So let a Lifetime 8 by 10 foot storage shed be your gardening and storage solution. With its durability and design, it will be the envy of your neighborhood.